Hello, today I will be showing you how to make data stores in Roblox Studio. These are essential for saving progress in games. It can be used in many different ways. I will be showing you how to store a basic leaderstat value. To set it up, you'll need to open the Game Settings window. From here, turn on Enable Studio Access to API Services. This will allow the game to access Roblox APIs and store the data. Now, in ServerScript service, create a script and copy what I do, or copy the script in the description. Firstly, we'll get the dataStore service and create a new data store called gameData. This is where we'll store our game data. Now we'll call a function for when a player joins the game. Let's first create a dataKey. This is a key made for the player to find their data. You can set this to anything that is unique among players, for example, their user ID. In this case, I set the dataKey to be the player's user ID, followed by _gameData. Remember, if you have multiple data stores in your game, create unique keys for each store. Moving on, we'll create a folder called leaderstats in all lowercase, and we'll parent it to the player. After that, we'll make a coinsStat.Value in the leaderstats folder. We can name it coins. Next, we'll create a pcall, also known as protected call, to fetch the data. This is to ensure that we don't break the rest of the script if it can't get the data. From this pcall, we'll return the data. Now, if we do get a success, and we also retrieve the data, then we'll print a statement that says that the data was found. And we'll also set the coins value to be the found data. If data was nil, then we'll set the coins value to 0. If there was no success, then we'll print that there was no data found for the player. Now, we'll call a function for when the player is leaving. We'll define the data key again as it cannot be reused, as this is a different scope. And we'll also define the coins value again. After that, we'll set the data to the current amount of coins that they have when they are leaving by calling a GetAsync function on our data store and put the first value as our key and the second as our value. Reminder that this method only stores one type of value. If you want to store multiple values in one data store, for example, coins and rebirths, you could save the data in a table. You could research this further. As you can see, when I join the game, there is no current data saved for me. But when I increase the value of my coins on the server, by running a command and then leave, the next time I join, it will load the data. Now, if you want more information, you can also add a print statement when the player leaves, so it prints if it successfully saved the data upon leaving. If you've done this correctly, you will have a working data store for your game.